In this week's video, I will focus on making Christmas decorations, and many of them will be made just with simple materials that you probably already have at home, like paper and glue. So I'm going to start with some paper Christmas trees, and I'm going to use origami paper, which is pre-cut, and it's 6 by 6 inches. You can use any paper, printer paper, or construction paper, cardstock, anything you like. Cardstock would be hard to fold, but here is how I do it. So you fold the paper once in half, you open it, and you fold on the other side again in half. Then you fold it diagonally and make like a triangle. Match both of the edges and fold properly as well, like this. I already folded on the opposite side as well, so each of the edges are nice and clear on both sides. So you should have something that looks like this when you're done folding. At this point I will start folding it into like quarter pieces towards the inside of the paper until you get like a square that looks like this. When you finish with this, you open each of these mini triangulars here, you try to line the top line with the middle line here, like this, and you push the paper, press the paper down. Continue doing the same thing with each side, like this. Folding and making clear lines. This is a cool activity that you can do with children as well. I did it when my kids were a little bit younger. So when you have all of your edges folded like this, you get your scissors and cut along this line of the extra long edges. I'm cutting over here. Now you can get each of these triangles, cut 4 lines, and just fold it a little bit with your fingers like this. If you decide to make your Christmas trees out of a bigger piece of paper, you can definitely cut more lines, but for this size, 3 to 4 lines are good. When folding each of the edges, I like to keep them folded in the same direction. So if you start working from left to right, fold all the triangles towards your right. And here it is. Your cute little Christmas tree is ready. Made only with paper. Thank you for watching. If you like to support my channel, please give a like, subscribe, comment or share.